Okay, so backyard remodel part 2 is today. And so today is building the patio. I got everything done in the backyard, and now I want to rebuild a patio, or make a patio for my gazebo and my hammock. So what I did was I hit up this guy on Facebook about free pallets, because I'm going to make my deck. I'm going to use the base. I have bricks and I'm going to use these pallets. So look where I am. Bam! Yes! So I'm trying to do this on a budget, and this is a great way to do it. All I did was I went on Facebook, went to the marketplace, pallets, right there. So any of these that need like a little bit of work, I can do. Here I come. But so this is what I'm doing now. We got our gloves in the car, got the truck, pallet time. Okay, so the issue is it doesn't fit in the back of my truck. So now we're about to try to get this big giant pallet on top of the truck. Wish us luck. Okay, so if you can see, this is the setup. We had to G-rig this to the max. The two real big ones, we had to get on top. I used my emergency life-saving kit to use that, to get that yellow rope right here. I don't know why I didn't think about rope. Just not planning. And then we found these smaller ones to put in here. Hands up. Don't you lick that. The little, I put a towel there so he would get splinters. I'm gonna have to fix it. Now he's eating it. But yeah, and then I had to use my jumper cables to hold this down. I got some towels up here so don't bust my glass, but we about to drive real slow all the way home. But we got what we needed. Here we go. The maneuvering part. Gotta go get the car, back it in the driveway. There's a problem. After we put the pallets down, got all the rocks and bricks and dirt, took almost 2 hours getting everything leveled, ran to Lowe's and got 2 big boards. I kind of estimated the size of the pallets, whatever, but that didn't turn out so well because this is what happened. So we went to Lowe's, got these 2 big boards, and got these cinder blocks because with the floor being raised, it made the tent feel a lot shorter than it was. So we put the tent on cinder blocks, actually put it through it so it can kind of give it some hold, but also lift it. So I didn't mind the pallets looking like this. It gives it a real rustic type of feel, but I have a whole gap right there. So I got to get a few more things done. Don't guess your measurements. A couple other things we got from Lowe's. I got 3 bags of rocks. These rocks, just because there is so much dirt, because I used to have a garden right here, there's so much dirt that I want to put some white rocks around it, just kind of for aesthetics. And then I got this. This is your deck stain and sealant. You can just get a sealant if you want to waterproof it, but I got the stain. It's like a cinnamon color, which is like going to be between like your orange and your redwood. So hopefully it looks real nice, but that's where we are right now. Back at Lowe's. And this is what we look like. You see T'Challa sitting in the back? He's chilling. He's a rider. But we got wood literally hanging all the way out the car. So it's hard to see because it's late. But this is the progress so far. So we got the stuff for the deck up. Tent is in cinder blocks. We haven't put the top up. Here's the rest of it. But this is what we looking like so far. It's dark, so we gotta call it a night. Didn't want to, but we gotta call it a night. We got a few little things. Tomorrow, get the floor in, get the sealer down. Gonna be in the money.